The DCL allows users to upload their own data locally into the platform on the import and export page. This data will not be shared with the public knowledge graph and is only stored in the browser's local storage. In this case, we are selecting an Excel sheet with data about Alfred Dürer. We can see a summary of the data before importing it. When we return to the DCL page, we can see the collections that we've just imported. Besides Excel sheets, we can also import JSON files that have been created with the InTaVia Wikipedia NLP Pipeline, as we do here with data about Ida Pfeiffer. To persist locally imported or edited data, visualizations, and stories, we can export the current session as an InTaVia project file. These project files can be shared and imported to seamlessly continue working on a project.